Hello everyone, we're going to design a air mechanical bracket with CATIA. My name is Soroush and we're going to do it. I hope it will be useful for you. Okay, as you can see we have the draft of it with the data of it, with dimensions of it. When we're going to open the CATIA, it will be like this. It's the assembly it calls. We don't need this. We're going to first open the sketcher. It's in mechanical design sketcher. When we open it, it asks us this new part. It has three options. For the basics, it's better to turn off these two. Okay, we're going to do it as the draft says. We're going to see the draft. First, we see this one. There is a lot of ways to design a part. I mean, first we select a plane. Okay. For example, for just this one, we can first. It's better to do it with the original planes for the start. We can now make a 5 and go down and so on. As you see. And make a dimensions. But also we can do it in another way. There is not ways to design a thing, as I said. Where as you see in the draft it says 100. There is no need to say 100 millimeter. If you type just 100, it's okay. You can change the value, like it will be centimeter or meter or millimeter in the CATIA options, but with the default it's millimeter. And we're going to set this one as 102 as you see in the draft. Okay, when we going to pad it, it gives us this error. It says it's not a closed part, in short, which means it's not like this. It's not unclosed thing. It's okay because we can make it a thickness like aluminum alloy or a penate, or I'm sorry, not aluminum, a penate. Well, first we need a thickness. We can do it in two sides. As you can see, it was 5. We can type it, in fact. There is not reason to do it. As you can see, it was 5. And in another view, it says it's 40. So the thickness is 5 and the length is 40. Now we have this one. Okay, it says there is 2 holes in each of them, as you can see in isometric view. There is a lot of ways, as I said. First, we can make a hole this way, but it's a few difficult. I mean, it's better to, when it's not necessary, we can make a sketch here. As you've seen, it's 2 holes. Now this one has the same center. Therefore this, as you said a lot of times, there is a lot of ways to do anything in CATIA and I like it for this option. This can be moved at anything. It's a fully free thing. When one of the ways for limit movement of it, we can set a vertical. If the vertical of this two is 0, where sometimes it's horizontal, it's about where and how we design it. Now these two can move together because now they are same center. There is 40 between them. We have to do it. We have to make it green. We have to make it stable. So it can be a free thing, free design. Now they can't be far from each other as the limit we set. Now it's still not green. Well, we can see different data of a view in another view. I mean, this 30 needs in here too, but it's not in left view, it's in top view. It said 30 from here and 20 from this way. With holding control, you can choose two. I mean, if I was just click on this and then this, well, it's with two. But it's better sometimes to hold control too. Alright, anyway, it's 30 as it says. And 20. As you can see, they are still not green because we didn't set the full data. When you see this is diameter, not radius. What I mean is when we set the data for it, we can set its radius, I mean the half or diameter of it, the full. It's 20. As this one. Now they are green. Now we can use the pocket. The pocket is not if we want it be till the end. It's up to last we can select or put any dimensions like any depth. If even I type this number, which is a lot, it still will case the same thing if we need up to last. And then this one, as I said, we can make any surface as a sketch. Even here we can make it as a sketch, for a plane for a sketch. Okay, we're going to this one too, and now we need two horns at here too. If, as you see, if I just one time click it will be disabled, but I can make it another, I mean click it again and then make another one, or I can just double click on this and then it will not be turned off. On the toolbar, I mean the circle of toolbar. Now we have to, it's not necessary to have to put them together at first, but it's better because sometimes when there's a lot things in your design, they may not be good, they may not get the dimensions good. Okay, we will do it as the previews for the last one. Sorry. If we did something wrong, we can just delete it, or with the keyboard we have the deleted one. Where the horizontal is 40 and the vertical is 0. When we first use it, before these two, it will still give us a dimension. It's the distance between these two, vertical and horizontal. With right click on it, we can switch between vertical or horizontal or other options like coincidence and so on. Okay, exactly like the last one. It's 20. And it's 30. Now the diameter. Each name is 20. Alright, we're going to packet this one too. This don't need to be this somewhere. Something lower is okay too. Still the same thing will happen because up to last. Okay, we have this, and now at the draft we can see there's a 2 diameter, but we can see a circle and circle. What's this? This is a fillet, edge fillet. This, when we design it, they are sharp, as you can see. The edges are so sharp. So it need to be fixed. When we click on edge fillet, we're going to have to select our edges, or if it's on edge, we can just click on the surface, like how I do it now. Have to see if we did. We can see all edges are not red. I mean, like here, this one is not. If I do edge, this one will stay sharp. The red line have to be at all edges if we want on edge. The on edge you want to have the fillet. We can change it here. Diameter was 2, so radius is 1. We can preview of half it will be, and then okay. It calls a mechanical basket. It's not something advanced, but it will need for basic ones. And this one calls drafting. I will show you how to do it at the next ones. It's from here. Well, thanks for watching. I hope it will be useful for you. And that's all.